What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Cutting Your Hair with the Bardist. I just made that up, okay? I am happy to be back. I'm way more happier than the guy in the back here because we're about to eat oxtail today, but don't worry about that. That's for us to know and you to find out. Hey, check it out. So we're doing beards today, all right? Beard gang. For everyone that is getting their beard in, listen, for the youngsters, you're 12, you're 14, 15, 16, you're trying to grow a beard. You got to cut the hair on your face so that it grows back. That's a trick, that's a tip if you don't have a beard, full beard, okay? All right, so my beard came in probably when I was, I would say...
Eight years old?
8 years? That's too early, bro. Nah. I had some of my friends, I can't go there, but some of my friends, you know what I'm saying? They came in early as 10 years old. You could guess what type of people they were, but whatever. Look, my beard came in when I was like 15, 16, and it started really small. So don't get scared. Your beard is coming in. But you know, for some people like the cameraman behind, he's never gonna have a beard because he's staying young. He have that young blood. All right, check this out. So look, you take your brush. I use the same brush, dollar store brush. Let's go. And look at, you want to make your lines, you want to start out with making your lines hard. If you have another style that you want to do, you do that. But start out with all your lines straight. First line, we're going to make right here to the bottom. Second line, straight across. This finisher is so low invasive that it feels like I'm getting a massage underneath my neck. That's how smooth the finisher is. The finisher is so smooth. Look how smooth that is, man. Listen, on some of my past clippers, you know what I mean, that I use, I could not put this to my skin because I will definitely get hurt. All right, so look. The finisher, I'm saying it right here on wax, is probably, it is the smoothest clipper in the game right now. It's so smooth. And I'm not even getting paid to say this, man. You know what I'm saying? This is me giving a real review. Cordless. This is the first time I'm using these clippers, alright?
Oh, both hands? Yeah.
Look at that. Well, Mary, you know you could stand like this and use it from the back. Done. Done.
You're blood? No. Oh, come on, bro. You're next, bro.
So once you get the bottom done, you want to brush. Brush. You know what I'm saying? Boom, you're almost halfway there, man. Got some hair in my eye. You're halfway done. So look, listen, all of these razor bumps that I have, I'm not gonna have them because this is so smooth. This is like massaging the bottom of my neck. Crazy. So now you wanna take the brush, brush backwards, okay? Brush backwards to your ear, and then so look, I'm gonna look into this mirror right here, and I'm gonna make a line coming straight down. Line straight down. See that right?
Yep.
And then straight up to my cut, and I'm gonna go front, back. And I like my lines hard, so See that? Boom. There you go. It clean. You know it's clean. It clean, right? Brush to the back. I'm gonna do this side, but you might not be able to see it. Straight down. Smooth clipper. Alright, we got some guests in the studio, so I'm gonna speed it up, okay? Because we're gonna be done with this tutorial real quick. Alright. On the side. I don't like to come down too hard because I want to keep my beard as thick as possible. And then what I do, you see I'm using the end of the clipper to shape up the point of, what is this called again?
Sideburn.
Sideburn. I had a mind fart. Second there. But that's how I do it. I go opposite. Some people do it the other way around, but that's how I do it. Alright, cool. That looks good.
Yep.
Perfect. Alright, we almost done here. Wanna do this side now? Alright. Now to wrap this up, I call this the house. Alright. Make it like a roof. Shape it like a roof, that's how I do it. And once you have that point, then you come down. If you don't want it too pointy, then you can shape it however you like. Alright. There you go. I'm gonna keep mine a little scruffy for now. I'll call this a scruffy look. Now to the bottom, same thing, upside down triangle. Straight across. Some people like to keep the line in the middle. I'm in between. Alright. Now for the sides, we're almost done. Brush inward. And boom.
Okay.
Brush inward. Boom. Almost done, guys. 2 minutes and I'm done. For the top of the line, you want to glide on the top of your lip. Alright, and then to the bottom. Line down. And line down. Alright, so take your the last thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna make your lines symmetrical a little bit. Cut down a little bit. See, I made a little mistake right here. But that's okay. That's okay. That's the name of the game you're playing with. It's cool. So You take your clipper, you want to shape it up a little bit, boom.
All right.
Alright, and that is it, guys. That's the beard tutorial for today. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, share. And listen, the most important thing that you should take from this whole tutorial is that you need these two clippers. This is the Lambo and this is the finisher. And they don't call it the finisher for no reason. They don't call this the Lambo for no reason. This go fast and this, it finishes it off. All right, I'm out. It's your boy, the Bartist. You already know what it is. Peace.